What's this? It's a pretty teapot. Or is it a... This pretty...
You have summoned me, the Magnificent One.
What?
Don't you worry. I'm here to grant you 3 wishes.
Really? Is this real?
Yes, but remember, 3 wishes. Ready?
3 wishes. Well, I've always been a side chick. I wish I was a wife. Oy. I'm tired, hon. I've been cleaning all day, all 3 hours straight. What a house is dirty.
You no cook yet? You complain about cleaning house all day. Get up and go cook me food. I want to you. Hey, let me tell you this. I know some of my thing come down, you know.
Hey, sweet cakes.
What want, babes?
It's me.
Yeah, man, me I come link you down at the hotel.
I've been thinking
Later.
of you all day. Because I know how you tell me how much yours are annoying.
No worry, what happened to you, man? Don't worry yourself about she, man. She good. She
But
good.
babe, I really miss you.
Me and you, you know, man. Me and you are rolling up. Me I go hold a shower right now and come link you.
Oh, God. Han, your phone. Your phone. Hello? He's in the shower. What? Who? I am his wife. Excuse you. Hello? Let me tell you something. Is my husband phone your phone in, you know? I am the wife. But see ya. Hey, girl, don't make me tell you part of your body you never know exists, you know, my girl. What this? You don't know me or who, you know? Hey, girl, what? Come on from my husband's phone. Sure. What is, man? Eh? Have side chick pan me. Pan me? Help me give it to him sweet.
Yo, you know, see me I go touch the road. Wait. Yo, what you do with my phone?
Who named Lisa? Eh?
Yo, where
Who
you
named
know? Where you
Lisa?
search up my phone, boy?
Search up your phone. A she phone
Yo, my girl.
A she phone you.
Yo, lower my phone, you know. When they see my phone, I ring. Lower my phone, you know.
Don't do that to me, you know. Don't do that to me.
Lick off your face with a back player. Hey, don't come up in my face. No, lick off your face, you know. Girl, go in the house and tap your nice, you know. Hey, I want to kill you. Girl, don't lick off your face. Hey, go in the house and chat. I want to that girl, man. I want to you. Ciao, I want.
Magnificent one. No. You have to take back the wish. Take back the wish. I don't want the marriage. It's too much hard work. When I was a side chick, I got life. I lived the life. I got things given to me. Now he want me cook. He want me clean. He want me wash. He even want me to... And now the worst part is I have a side chick.
As a wife, you always have responsibility.
Well, I want to be a wife without responsibility.
Is that a wish?
Yes, I wish I was a wife without responsibilities. Wait. No, sir. On my phone. My phone, my husband. Hello, but...
Hello.
What is...
Yo, sis. What going?
Kevin, let me talk to your brother.
No, man. What you talk about? You forget, man. The man move out.
What? What you tell me, say?
I'm gonna foreign with woman.
No! What? Him gone? Oh, Mama picnic him. Mama picnic him there.
Picnic? What kind of picnic? Come to the woman there, man. You forget to CDA take them picnic they gone all long now.
No!
She must have lick her head or something. Me not understand them woman there.
Right there. Yeah.
No, magnificent one. No. I don't want this one. I don't want this wish.
My child. Your second wish? You're here for your third wish?
magnificent one. I lose my husband. I lose my children. I lose my house. I lose everything.
Ah, your second wish. No responsibility.
My wish. My wish. My wish we never make no wish.